special. If you have pet, keep them inside.
And if you have a pet, keep your pet away from the wild animal. That's such a good tip, Izzy. Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing a baboon. Baboon. Did you know there was a baboon running around Cape Town in the southern suburbs for the last couple of days?
No.
Yeah, but they captured him and he got home safely. That's all that matters. Here we go.
Yep.
What do we need, Izzy?
We need marker, paper, and crayon.
Marker, paper, and crayons or colored pencils. Okay, so we've got our page this way, the landscape way. We call this landscape. It's sideways, it's not our usual upright. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. First off, we are going to make a line like that, just a little one.
It's going to
Like this, like a mild little M shape. Get it? So that's his brow. Okay? From his brow, we're going to do 2 circles. Because that's going to be the eyes. But don't worry, he's not angry. Those angry brows. And we draw eyelid lines over that. Got it?
Yeah.
And now little reflections. And then we do the people. Okay, so we've got some baboon eyes. Are you coloring yours in? I'm gonna color mine in as well. So our baboon has black eyes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So now we draw a line from this brow, just a there. Come around with that.
Yeah.
And bring it out this way and down. Straight. And now we draw straight little edge here.
Yeah.
And we'll add a smile to it. And just in the middle here, we do a little line.
Yeah.
Draw a line like that, and another line like that.
Yeah.
And we add little arches on there. And we color that in. That's his nostrils.
Yeah.
So now we have our eyes and our nostrils on our baboon. Got it?
Yep.
That's good. So now, the bottom jaw, just draw a line from there. Okay, so now we add a little straight line there, just going up. It's got a pointy ear and a ear coming down. Now we can draw the inside of that. Let's see? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to give him some hair. And we need to take the hair all the way that way around and this way till it hits the ear. And then we're just gonna finish up the rest of his face over there. So now you can do little spiky hair, just till it touches the nose there. See that?
Yep.
Yeah, that's cool. You got it. Okay, so this way around again, up until the ear. And from the bottom of the ear, we add another few and just close that up. And just extend this jawline up just a bit. Yep. Now we've both got baboon faces.
Yep.
Okay. So yeah, from the top of the ear, so shoot from that height, quite high up on in terms of the face height. We go high up there, and we draw a line slightly curving down, and then slightly curving back up. And bring it down just over here. That's his back. Excuse me. That's his baboon back. And now we bring the line down, and we make just a basic little foot shape. We got that, and we add the thigh, and we bring it down, and we just add lines in it to show that it's his foot. Oh, my brain's moving. To show that it's his foot.
Yep.
Yep. And for this side, we do the same. We bring a line down, and we bring it down here, but instead of a foot, you have to give it like a thumb and fingers.
Yeah, because you're a monkey.
He's a monkey. He's got monkey hand.
I actually have a camel.
And slowly. And now, from down here, we're gonna go slightly up. So we bring this line out and we go up to there. Got it?
Yep.
And for this side, make a little line there. Bring it there. And there. And then we're gonna put my hand on the end of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers because he's waving at us. It's a waving baboon. Saying hello.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5 fingers. And now on this side, we need to draw the other leg. Remember his other leg is on the other side behind this one. We can just fold that in like that. And here we have our baboon body with his legs and his arms.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need now? Big tail. And a baboon tail is very distinctive. It goes up and it goes over and it comes down. I almost ran out of space. But it has to go up, go over, and come down. Yep.
Yeah.
And there we have it, everybody. Ta-da. You see, that's our baboons.
Yep.
What's your baboon's name? Bobby? Babby? Okay, so that's Bobby the baboon, and this is
Yeah.
Jeff.
No. Batman.
Okay, so Bobby and Batman. That's our 2 baboons.
You
you already do it, Jeff. Okay, so now all we need to do is add some color. And remember, his face is going to be a different color to the rest of his body.
Yep.
Got that? Here we go. Everybody, so I actually forgot to add little cuffs over here because his feet and his hands will be the same color as his face.
Yeah, man, I found out if you use this part, that means you make this
a thinner line.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can use the edge of your marker if your marker has a chisel tip like this, and it will make a thinner line.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good information, Izzy. Let's go. Keep coloring. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our baboons. That's Bobby, and this is Batman. Am I right, Izzy? And remember, everybody, when there's a wild animal loose in your neighborhood, do not approach it, do not try to catch it, do not chase it. They might be dangerous. The best thing you can do is to phone the authorities. So you need to contact the police, you need to contact the local vet.
Yep.
So they will know who to get hold of to come and help.
Yeah.
To capture the wild animal and get it out to its own home safely. Am I right?
And so if you have a pet, keep them inside.
And if you have a pet, keep your pet away from the wild animal. That's such a good tip, Izzy. Yep. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.